These are the top 3 reasons why you're not making the amount of passive income that you want to make. Hey Daniel, let's play that intro. Welcome friend, I'm Juan Pablo, real estate investor, online entrepreneur. And today I'm going to discuss the top 3 reasons why you're not making the amount of passive income that you actually want to make. So if you're new to the channel, I encourage you to click this like button, be honest, only if you like the video of course, and also to subscribe. Why? So you can get notified when we have future releases of videos. And secondly, so Google, YouTube, and the algorithm can do its thing in providing you with additional resources, additional content, additional videos that will help you along your journey to becoming financially free. So on this channel, we typically talk about 3 things: personal finance, funding, and real estate investing. So without further ado, let's dive into the meat and the potatoes. Okay, so here we are. You want to make passive income, right? The reason being is because you want working to be an option for you and not an obligation. You want to be able to have autonomy in your schedule to do what you want, when you want, with whom you want, whenever you want. Go wherever you want, right? You want to be able to have that laptop lifestyle, you know, to be able to work remotely if you choose to. You want to be able to have enough passive income to buy the toys you want, right? To be a philanthropist, to give back, to be able to take care of your loved ones, and to be able to leave an inheritance to others as well, right? So I get that. I get the benefits of passive income. But what's stopping you? Good question, right? What's stopping you is 3 vital things. And I'm here to share with you some tips. Of course, there may be more, but just to share with you a few tips to keep this video short and sweet. So here's the first tip. The first thing that's stopping you is a lack of focus. It's a failure to starve your distractions. Right? When you have this thing, don't judge me, I know it's beat up and ugly. I know. This is Generation 8. I know we're in 2021, but don't judge me. All right? It still works. If it ain't broke, why fix it? Right? But you have this thing in your pocket or in your purse, on your hip. Right? And what does this thing do? It makes noise. And when this thing makes noise, what do? It grabs your attention. And what else does it do? It captures your focus. What else does it do? It distracts you, right? And so when you have this device, or this device, an Apple Watch, right? That also notifies you and pings you and vibrates and do all these things. All these devices, this thing over here, you can show over here, this flat screen, okay? All these things. This thing, this laptop, this device, they get your focus off your goal, right? Let's say, for instance, that you have a 9 to 5. You got to keep your 9 to 5 because the bills got to get paid. I get that. I respect that. But your spare time, you want to throw all these things away. Now, I mean not literally, but in a figurative sense, meaning you want to cut them off so that you can just focus on your one singular goal, which is to grow your passive income, okay? Now, if you're looking to grow your passive income, let's say you're searching for deals, okay? And you know, when you get home from work, you know, you kiss the wife, say hi to the baby, and do all that good stuff. You get to work, you look for deals, and then bam, you get a notification. Bam, you get a call, text message, email, Facebook update. You gotta watch your favorite show. You want to go hang out as well. That's another distraction. Or even alcohol. All these things distract you from your purpose. Because speaking of alcohol, I used to drink alcohol. I still do a little bit, around the holidays or so forth, but not as often as I used to. Like I would drink pretty much every weekend. I thought I was just my right, to have fun, let my hair down on the weekend. But I realized, because I track my sleep. Here's a ring here. I just want to show you. It's sensors. Not sure if you can see it. And what this does is tracks your sleep pattern. So I realized the last time I drunk alcohol was on my birthday. And I realized, because I tracked my sleep results, it took me 2 weeks to get my sleep results back to where they once were. 2 whole weeks from having a few drinks over the weekend. Okay? Now you might be thinking, well, why is that important? You're not going to operate effectively, meaning your mindset. You're not going to be as mentally acute. The mental fortitude, the mental clarity, the level of decisiveness is not going to be there when you're not getting adequate sleep. And that's what alcohol does, it affects your sleep. So if you're working a 9 to 5, and you have so many things going on, you need to be able to have this thing operating optimally. And it's hard to do when it's full of alcohol or bad food or things that cause distractions. And this is why it's important too. You might be in the position in which you watch, let's say, TV shows, right? Or playing video games, let's say playing video games. And you play video games and you're trying to get to the next level, you're trying to win or what have you. When you're not playing a video game, your subconscious mind is still at work, figuring out ways that you can get to that next level. So why would you want to spend your power, your subconscious mind, finding out ways of how you can get to that next level, when in contrast, you can be using this power, your subconscious mind, to attract ways of how you can get the passive income you're looking for. So that's one of the main reasons. You're not having the passive income you want. Full of distractions, lack of focus. Here's the second thing, a lack of commitment. You try and start. You do this, then you do that. It kind of boils back to focus, but just have another spin on it. Meaning, you have to create a goal, get a plan, and stick to it. And I'm not saying that you can't iterate on the plans. You know, things happen in the marketplace, whether if your plan is to buy in this particular marketplace, let's say there's a recession, I understand that. But if the main goal is passive income and the plan is to get through multi-units, then stick with it and stay committed. Don't allow things in the market just to get you off course and you decide to invest in a different venture. Oh, well, I see that there's a sales market right now, so let me stop investing in this particular market or stop investing in general, and you know what, let me just do trading. No, you have to stay committed, and you have to starve all other ventures as well, okay? And I have a video, if you just check in the link below, that relates to how you can really have that passion or that tenacity, so that way you can be committed towards your goal, okay? Now here's the third thing that's stopping you from achieving your passive income. You're not brainwashing yourself for success. This is what I mean by this. Let's say, for instance, I want to learn marketing, for instance, right? Let's say I'm a business owner, I have an online business. And let's say I want to improve on marketing, meaning more lead generation, for instance. So what I'm going to do to brainwash myself to become successful at marketing, which I can see the results by having more leads come in, I want to focus on learning everything there is to know about marketing, okay? Now, I don't mean reading 100 books, but if that's what it takes, that's what I'll do. But what I'll do is I'll get some core training material that relates to marketing, and I will read it over and over and over. I'll listen to it, let's say it's an audiobook, over and over and over, to the point I'm brainwashed, because repetition is the gateway to the subconscious mind. And it's not just repetition, but it's coupling repetition with emotion, okay? So if I'm constantly listening to these things and I'm incorporating emotion that, yes, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna win, it feels great to win, it feels great to have these things, to do these things, to become this person, and I'm gonna lock jaw on it, tenacity, to the point that I get it. And watch the video below, I have another video about the mindset. I know this video is more about the mindset, but the mindset is the reason, right? Your life today is a direct result of your previous thoughts. So that's where I want to tackle in this video, about how we can start changing those thoughts and how you spend your focus, so that way you can truly be committed and have success towards obtaining the passive income you want. Now back to what I was saying. So you couple these things to the point that you have this tenacity that you will meet your goal. So if you're looking for passive income, That's what I encourage you to do. Starve your distractions. Stay focused. Stay committed. And don't be dismayed or dissuaded by the waves of the ocean or the changes in the environment, the changes in the market, and so forth. Stick with the strategy. Stick with the goal. And third, lock jaw on it. Brainwash yourself for success, and you will get the passive income you're looking for. All right, guys, so that's about it. So I've provided you with 2 video recommendations. Check the links in the description below to learn more. And if you're interested in learning more about real estate investing, we have a free training for you. Again, just check the links below to learn more. As always, guys, this is to your success. Continue to earn passively, live passionately. Peace.